Hey everybody, today we are going to do an unboxing and demonstration video of this travel hoop by IGL. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to set up and how actually high quality it is. So let's go ahead, get it open and show you guys what's inside. All right, we got it open. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, nice. Now the cool thing about this goal is that it literally comes all in one piece. So we don't need the box anymore. Oh yeah, look at that. Very clean. It's got a nice little handle. Wheels. It's like a suitcase almost. All right, now that we've got this thing opened up and out of the box, just show you a couple cool features about it. It has a suitcase-like handle. That way you can literally walk it around anywhere you want to go. And it's easy just to kind of like pop up and set up. And then even on the side, if you have to physically carry it somewhere, it's got another handle right here that'll allow you to pick it up and then take it wherever you need to, right? Super light, easy to work with. On top of that, it's like I said, a suitcase. Pop these open, latch them down, and then next thing you know, you're able to open it up and start work. So we're gonna go ahead, open it up, and put it together and show you exactly how easy it is. Just like I said before, it's kind of like a suitcase. Open her up. First thing you're gonna run into is your goal, which is nice because it all comes in one piece. The actual net's already on, the rim, the backboard, and everything is right here. You even get an anchor, a basketball is included, a pump, which is necessary to pump up the ball. And then now you have all of your base plates, your poles to extend it and set it in. So we're gonna go ahead and get it set up and just show you exactly how it works.